Now, factorization for standard 9. In previous video, I was start the difference of two square. That is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Few questions was explained in previous video, a square minus b square format, that is can be written as a plus b into a minus b. But sometimes in a square minus b square some tricky questions are given, and the main thing is in factorization formula is only one, or maybe sometimes use the identities. Main thing is the more practice, more confidence you will get. Try to observe the condition. Whatever the condition is given, according to that we will think for the factorization. There is no any ready-made formula. Any can say, learn this one can do factorization question. No. For the factorization, only one formula is more practice, more confidence. Now, again here I explain few questions. That questions are tricky, so you try to understand. The first one is 2 into AB plus CD bracket close minus A square minus B square plus C square plus D square. Now what you can do it in this question? First we can multiply this one. So that is 2AB plus 2CD minus A square minus B square plus C square plus D square. Now you can see c square plus d square plus 2cd can be written as c plus d whole square. So these two and this one you write down together, c square plus d square plus 2cd. After that, minus a square minus b square plus 2ab. Minus a square minus b square plus 2ab, it is not the identity, but a square plus b square minus 2ab having the identities, that is a minus b whole square. It means if you take minus sign common here and this term b square term and this 2ab term right inside the bracket. Now you see, out of this and this minus sign have taken common. Then inside the bracket this minus a square becomes plus a square, this minus b square becomes plus b square, and this plus 2ab becomes minus 2ab. Now this can be written as c plus d whole square minus a minus b whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So now that can be written as a plus b and into a minus b. Earlier was also given in the video, when in place of b having more than one term, be careful, because a minus b. So minus b means this term and this term, both the sign will be changed. Of this term and of this term sign will be changed. So c plus d minus a plus b. So a plus b into a minus b. Next question is one minus x square into 1 minus y square plus 4xy. Now 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square plus 4xy. First, we will multiply this one. 1 into 1, 1. 1 into minus y square, minus y square. Minus x square into 1, minus x square. Minus minus plus x square, y square plus 4xy. Now, you see here, x square y square, and this one is also positive. So now this can be written as x square y square plus 1. If you think this is a square, means xy whole square, and this is b square, means 1 square, then what is the value of 2ab? that will be positive 2xy. So here we are having plus 4xy. From that 4xy, positive 2xy I kept here. Now you see, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Got it. After that, minus x square minus y square and 2xy left how much? From 4xy, 2xy I used here. It means positive 2xy left. So positive 2xy. Actually, this is the turning point for this question. After that, now you see a square plus b square plus 2ab. This can be written as xy plus 1 whole square minus. Now minus x square minus y square plus 2xy, minus sign take common. So x square plus y square minus 2xy. This can be written as xy plus 1 whole square minus a square plus b square minus 2ab form. So this can be written as x minus y whole square. Now this is a square minus b square again. So a means xy plus 1 plus b means x minus y into a xy plus 1 minus b. So minus bracket x minus y. So when you remove this bracket x minus y, then it will be minus x plus y. Now, next question. X to the power 4 plus y to the power 4 minus 11x square y square. Now you can see this can be written as x square whole square plus y square whole square. Now you think if it is a and it is b, a square plus b square, it means 2ab term we will get in the form of x square y square, because in place of a is x square and in place of b is y square. So naturally 2ab value we will get in the form of x square y square. So now you think what is the value of 2ab? Suppose here x square is a and y square is b. Then 2ab means 2 into x square into y square. So 2x square y square. But we are having minus 11x square y square. 2ab either positive or negative, there is no difference. If it is positive 2ab having, then it can be written as a plus b whole square. And if we are having minus 2ab, then it can be written as a minus b whole square. So it is depends on the situation. We are having positive 2ab or negative 2ab, can adjust it. So here minus 11x square having, from that I take it minus 2x square y square. Now you think minus 11x square y square already was given in the question, and already I used here minus 2x square y square. It means how much left now? So left minus 9x square y square. Now this can be understand a square plus b square minus 2ab, that can be written as a minus b whole square and minus 3xy whole square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square. So this is a plus b into a minus b. Now fourth question. Suppose we are having x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1. There are three terms. Now x to the power 4 can be understand x square whole square plus 1 can be understand 1 square. Now if it is a square and it is b square, then you think what is the value of 2ab? If a is x square, b is 1, so our 2ab value is 2 into x square into 1. So how much we require? 2x square. We require 2x square, but here it is given only x square. It means x square we borrowed it and again returned it. So this x square can be written as 2x square minus x square. It means x from in this x square add it and subtract it. When we add in this x square, we get 2x square and then again subtract it x square. Now it is balanced. It means whatever the statement is written here, same statement is this one also. X to the power 4, x square square. 1 can be written as 1 square plus 2x square minus x square, that is x square. So x square is given, but it can be written as in this way. So this is the main turning point for this question. Now you see a square plus b square plus 2ab, that can written as x square plus 1 whole square minus x square. Now a square minus b square, so that is a plus b into a minus b. Next question is x to the power 4 plus 4. Only two terms are here. So now this can be written as x square whole square plus 2 square. This is in the form of a square plus b square. But remember it, a square plus b square not having any factors formula, factors form. A square plus b square having two formula, a square plus b square having two formula, a plus b whole square minus 2ab and a minus b whole square plus 2ab. And out of these two, no one is in factors form because here between them is plus and minus, so this is called expand form. So a square plus b square, there is no any factors form. It means here we convert into this question in the form of a square minus b square. So just now you think how it can be converted in the form of a square minus b square. Now you see x square whole square plus 2 square. Now if it is a square, this is b square. Now you think what is the value of 2ab? So 2ab is 2 into x square into 2 square. Sorry, 2. b means 2. So 2ab means how much? 4x square. It means first we add it here 4x square and subtract it 4x square. 4x square added and 4x square subtracted. So there is no change in the original form of the question. In any algebraic expression, if we are adding something and same thing if we subtract, the expressions remains same. So here 4x square added and 4x square subtracted. When we added 4x square, then it can be a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this can be written as x square plus 2 whole square minus 2x whole square. Now you see it is in the form of a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. It is a factorial. Next question is x square plus y square minus z square whole square minus 4x square y square. Now you see this question. This question direct a square minus and this 4x square y square can be written as 2xy whole square. So this question is direct x square minus y plus y square minus z square whole square minus 2xy whole square. So this is direct a square minus b square. So now a plus b into a minus b. Maximum student here left the answer, but here you left the answer, you will not get the full marks. Factorization means up to that extent you factorize, so that after that the factorization is not possible. It is simplified factors form is known as factorization. Any algebraic expression write into in simplest product form is known as factorization. So this is also again factorizable and this is also again factorizable. So if any students left here the answer, then they are getting maximum 50% marks. So now you see this can be written as x square plus y square plus 2xy minus z square, and this can be written as x square plus y square minus 2xy minus z square. Now here you see a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this can be written as x plus y whole square and minus z square. Now this one you put in big bracket and into a square plus b square minus 2ab, that is x minus y whole square and minus z square. Now a square minus b square into a square minus b square. So again it is factorizable in the form of a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. This one a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So almost all maximum types of the questions was explained. Last day was explained 6 or 7 questions and today also explained 6 questions. I think enough number of questions explained for difference of 2 square. If any students try to understand these all 12, 13 questions, and again I repeat here one thing, in factorization there is no any ready-made formula. How much questions the students solve, that much confidence they will get, and that is the main point in factorization. Observation required. How can you factorize? For that there is no any ready-made formula.